Good morning to you all children. I hope you all are fine during this lockdown period and please keep yourself safe. Children, today we are going to read a story named Flying Together. So children, just before this story, we learned about the benefits of teamwork. We know that teamwork is very important, and in every field of our life, teamwork is needed. Children, especially in games, sports, you know the importance of teamwork. The team which has a good combination, good coordination wins. So, children, in the poem Teamwork, you learnt about the importance of teamwork and its benefits. Children, you may see in this picture the importance of teamwork and how they are in a coordination during their games. So, children, you may have read many storybooks in your library classes also and at home also, children. So, many of you are familiar with many storybooks like Arabian Nights, Hitopadesh, Panchatantra. You know about Arabian Nights, the collection of stories of Arab country. It has been translated in many languages, children. Likewise, Hitopadesh is also a very popular uh, storybook for you all children. This book has also been translated in many languages, and one of it, a very uh, popular book, and one of the most popular book of the world is Panchatantra. Panchatantra is a very famous storybook. Children, to know the meaning of the term Panchatantra, Panchatantra actually is a Sanskrit word, Panch and Tantra. Panch means five, and Tantra means system of parts. It means five systems of parts. It tells us about the way of our life and how should we live our life, how to tackle the situations, the problems of our life. Actually, children, it's a it's a fable. Fable means a short story that teaches a lesson and that often has animals as the main character, children. So, children, the Panchatantra is an ancient Indian collection of interrelated fable in Sanskrit verse and prose, arranged within a frame story. Children, you all know it is written by Pandit Vishnu Sharma and it is translated in many languages also. And the story is very popular among everyone, especially children. Children, Panchatantra is also a fable. Hitopadesh is also a storybook. But there is a bit difference between both of the storybooks. Hitopadesh actually is also an Indian text in the Sanskrit language consisting of fables with both animals and human characters in main role children. But Panchatantra actually tells us the story of animals and birds. Children, you may see different Panchatantra storybooks by different publishers. So, children, the story Flying Together has been taken from a book. Actually, the main book is Panchatantra, but this story has been written by Shiv Kumar and the topic of the story is a wise old bird. So after it, many writers have written the stories of Panchatantra in their own way. So Shiv Kumar has also written the story taken from Panchatantra, and the topic is a wise old bird. So children, this story, Flying Together, actually is related to the bird geese. Do you know about geese, children? Geese. Actually, the children, uh, geese is a plural form of goose, a bird. Many of you have, I hope that many of you have seen this bird. It's a large white bird that is like a duck, but bigger from it. Children, geese are kept on farms for their meat and eggs. And children, young goose are called goslings. Goslings, children. So you may see the picture of a goose on the screen. Actually, goose are of some different colors. So you may see the difference of color between both the goose. Geese live on tree, children. So this story is based on the life of geese. And children, this story deals with how a team of geese came out safely from hunter's net. And children, they tried their best, they did their work in a team, and they came out safely from hunter's net. So this story teaches us that unity is strength. And this story also teaches us that apply your mind in bad condition or situation, and you will definitely come out from the situation. So children, in our life, teamwork is very important, and everyone should do the work in coordination with your team. So children, that's all for today. I hope you all have understood the theme before the story, Flying Together. So that's all for today. Thank you all, children. In our next classes, we'll read the story Flying Together. Thank you, children.